Maintenance services are essential to extending the life of any vehicle, and AutoDataIQ makes it easy to manage them, whether you're a mobile technician or a vehicle owner. To get started, simply log your first maintenance service. Once you save it, AutoDataIQ will automatically generate a linked expense record for you. There's no need to re-enter the same details. Both records stay connected and update together. If you're a driver working with a tech or managing multiple vehicles, you'll both have shared access to the same maintenance record, where you can customize the notification interval for the specific service and the service interval for the vehicle, providing seamless personalization. Use the All, Recently Viewed, Upcoming Services and Service Chat List views to quickly sort and review your records. These built-in views help you stay organized, especially if you're managing a busy schedule or multiple clients. Upgrading to an enterprise plan unlocks custom charts and list views tailored to your workflow. Chat reminders will notify you when services are due or upcoming, and every record has a related tab where you can store receipts, images, or notes. This helps you document tire sizes, oil types, or parts used all in one place. You can also use the Service Chat view to stay on top of active conversations and updates related to each record. After your first service is logged, the automation kicks in, reducing your manual effort and ensuring consistency. Whether you're maintaining your own fleet or servicing clients, AutoDataIQ keeps your vehicle maintenance clear, trackable, and shared. Invite others to collaborate, and in the next video, we'll show you how to send quotes and manage chats. Stay tuned.